Hello everybody, RV Living with the Geezer, and we got a little snowstorm hit here, central Texas, and I mean it's coming down. It's about 4:30 right now. It's been coming down for about since 2:30. And old Blanca, she's trying to find a blade of grass to go potty on. There must have found one. Anyway. She blends right in with that snow, doesn't she? What you doing, girl? You like that? Oh, I think she likes it. See if I can get her to. This happens up here in Ingram every now and then, but not very often. Oh, she's getting wound up. Blanca, you like the snow? Huh? You like the snow? Yep. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you a little central Texas snowstorm, what we call it down here. And out in West Texas, they got a bunch of it. They got 12 inches out there in Alpine or more. So down at Big Bend Park, actually they broke they shattered records. I saw one report where they got 24 inches yesterday or this morning. So you know, she's liking this. I've had dogs that wouldn't even put their feet in it. Oh yeah, she getting a little wound up. But anyway, I just wanted to show you all the blizzard we got going. And to some of y'all, like Jamie up there in Pennsylvania, it's probably not much of a blizzard. But this is a Texas blizzard. There you go, Blanca. Say hi to everybody. Woof, woof. All right, guys. I'll let you go. Happy New Year. 2021 right around the corner. Here we come. Gonna be better. Bye-bye.